Stop the video if you're still paying for Cursor without looking at Claude Code. 6 months ago, Cursor was the AI coding tool everyone recommended. Right now, more developers are switching to Claude Code. So I replaced Cursor for 7 days to find out if the hype is real. Hold on, Cursor became popular for a reason. It made AI coding feel effortless. Open your editor, ask for a change, get code instantly. For many developers, it felt like having a senior engineer sitting next to them. But something changed. Cursor helps you write code. Claude Code helps you complete tasks. That's a massive difference. Instead of asking for snippets, you're asking for entire features. And that changes how you work. So I gave both tools the same challenge: add a complete authentication system to an existing project. While stuff happened, Cursor was fast for small edits. But Claude Code understood the project faster, needed fewer corrections, and completed more work without constant supervision. Claude Code required less prompt babysitting. It handled larger tasks surprisingly well. It felt more like delegating work than writing code. And honestly, that's the part that shocked me. But come on, Cursor isn't dead. Its interface is better. It's easier for beginners. And for quick fixes, Cursor can still feel faster. That's why so many developers keep both tools. Here's the real question. What if the future isn't better code completion? What if it's AI doing entire tasks for you? Cursor isn't dead, but Claude Code might have changed what developers expect from AI forever. So tell me in the comments, if you had to choose only one today, would you keep Cursor or switch to Claude Code? And if you enjoy honest AI and tech comparisons, like this video and subscribe because we've got a lot more battles coming.